To open or close your gate, simply select your property from the main page, then choose the specific gate you'd like to control. You'll see 3 options: hold open, close, and open momentarily. To hold the gate open, tap Hold Open, then enter the number of hours you'd like the gate to remain open. Once you've entered the time, press Open. A confirmation message, "Gate opened successfully," will appear at the bottom of your screen. To close the gate, tap Close. You'll see a confirmation message, "Gate closed successfully," displayed at the bottom of your screen. To open the gate momentarily, tap Open Momentarily. The gate will open for the duration set by your installer. Once complete, a message will confirm "Gate opened successfully."